guys, now we will see how to implement functions practically. We see with the help of an example, right? So what I will do, the thing which we have studied in these slides, will now implement it practically. Now see the steps one by one. Now, firstly, what we will do, open my Google Colab, right? And now def is the keyword for defining one function, right? So now I write volume sphere, right? Because here I pass one argument radius, right? Because I have to calculate volume of sphere. So def is my keyword, right? This is what user defined function. If you have to define any function, you can define with the help of def keyword, right? Now see here, what I will do, I return here straight away, okay? And because I have to calculate volume of sphere is what, 4 by 3, right? 4 by 3 into pi r cube, right? Okay, so this is the formula of volume of sphere, right? So I define here and I return value here. Now next again I define one more function, surface area, right? So what is the surface area? I pass one argument and single quote. Again I return my value. Now apply surface area formula is 4 into pi r square, right? Into r into r. Again I return value here. And next is my, I define one more function. Function name is diameter, because I have to calculate diameter. Again I pass one argument r, okay? And here I just wait. Now this is ready, right? Diameter is twice of r, right? So here now see, I apply all these formula and I define three functions, right? Now this is the way. Now what we will do, we will call these functions one by one, okay? Now see here, I put a radius, okay? So radius is what? And input. I apply my type conversion and enter the radius, right? So here I will enter my radius value, okay? And after this, let's suppose I call my first function volume sphere, right? And here I pass radius value, right? Okay, so this is my main function I'm going to create. And then I define one s. My s is what? My surface area, right? And here I pass radius as a argument. And next, uh, right? And here again I pass radius. So you can see, right? Whatever we have defined, that must be similar with function name, right? Now what I will do, I print these value. I print v, print s, and print the value of diameter, right? Okay, now see this, if I run this, it will ask me the radius value. Volume, yeah, there is an error. So you have to remove these error, right? Now, once again, I will run this. Now, let's suppose I enter the radius. So I got these value, right? That is surface area 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume, sorry, surface area is 4 pi r square. And so in this way, now you can see this is my main function, right? Uh, Here I pass value to volume, and this value goes to this, right? So this is my main function and this is my called function. So in this way, you can define values in a function and you can return value, right? This is the way, right? Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. If you like, do subscribe my channel for more information, for more programs. Thanks a lot. Thank you.